Hi my sweet people, today's video is on these red velvet cookies, and if you want to know how I made them, do keep on watching. The items you'll need will be flour, cocoa powder, oil, corn flour, red coloring, baking powder, vanilla extract, baking soda, butter, white vinegar, egg, rice flour, and brown sugar. You can get your mixing bowl and add in your butter together with your brown sugar. You can use your mixer to actually beat the butter and the brown sugar together, and once they are fully combined, then we can go on to add the other ingredients. It's mixed and everything, it's actually start to get hard, so it gets dark, so I'm just trying to remove it from the mixer. And then you can add in your vanilla extract, you can add in your oil as well, next you can add in your cocoa powder, add in your egg yolk as well. Continue mixing and combine all the items together. We can add in the flour, so I'm adding in the corn flour here. Next you can add in your rice flour. Next you can add in your baking powder and baking soda. You can add in your vinegar, and then you can add in your flour, and add the flour in batches, so don't add it all together at one time. You can separate it and add a little by little, and then you mix in and then continue again and adding in, and then you can mix again. just using red colouring because the recipe actually included orange colouring, but I didn't think I need that, so I'm just adding in red colouring, and I just added 1 teaspoon. If you want, you can add more to make it more redder, because I think the amount that I added was just fine for me. So if you want, you can add more to make it more red. I'm adding in the white chocolate chips here, and if you want, you can add in other chocolate chips as well. I'm just using white because it looks nicer, and if you want to use chocolate chips, you can go ahead, because this cookie is not that sweet. If you actually after baking it, you won't find it as sweet, so if you want, you can use chocolate chips as well. You can add in nuts also, but I'm not really a fan, so I'm not adding it. Once all that is mixed in, you can actually refrigerate it for 1 hour or longer if you want, and then once it's you are ready to bake, you can prepare your pan and start adding in all of your batter, roll it into balls, and I'm adding it onto the baking sheet here. Once you're ready to bake, you can put the oven at 170 and then you can start to bake for around 15 to 20 minutes. So my timing was around 20 minutes or 21 minutes, but of course based on your oven. So that's the end of my video, guys. Hope you liked it, and do try it if you want. Everyone really loved this cookie so much, so thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be